Think snoring is harmless? Think again. This is more than just snoring, this could be sleep apnea. Hello everyone, I'm Rajvi and welcome to the Sleep Apnea Guide. Today we are talking about a serious sleep disorder that affects millions and often goes undiagnosed. So what is sleep apnea? Sleep apnea is a serious sleep disorder where your breathing repeatedly stops and starts while you sleep due to a blocked airway or a missed signal from the brain. It's more than just snoring, it's a hidden health risk. When the muscles in your throat relax too much, the airway gets blocked. It's called obstructive sleep apnea, and the brain senses the lack of oxygen and wakes you up again and again just to breathe. The good news is it's treatable with right support like lifestyle changes and a CPAP therapy. You can breathe better, sleep better, and live better. To know which treatment is best for you, talk to your doctor today and follow us for more information. Follow us for more videos. Thank you.